quite ashamed we got that much scored against us. I know we're a better team than that, and we just have to learn now and move on. It's done.
It was a second game of a road trip for you guys. Did you feel like maybe that played a bit of a factor, maybe felt a bit fatigued towards the end?
No, we got here early, here on Monday, on Sunday night I think. We've been here the week, didn't play any roles. We were just off today and just have to learn to flick that switch and turn on and keep going.